In anybody's daily life, there is nothing that that person touches, eats, or comes in contact with that doesn't involve manufacturing. What we provide is a foundational basis for you to launch pad into anywhere you want to go. My name is Larry Pomelow. I'm the Associate Educational Consultant for the Manufacturing Cluster, which consists of Aerospace Component Manufacturing Shop, the Precision Machining Technology Shop, Mechanical Engineering Design Technology Shop, the Welding, and Mechatronics. We have a total enrollment of 1,164 students in the manufacturing cluster, of which 282 in the work-based learning, of which 29 are registered pre-apprentice. What makes our programs unique, we're woven into the communities that our schools are located in. The state invests a lot of money in keeping all our technologies up to date. Most of our teachers are graduates of the tech school system. Our teachers in the shops are all industry created people. They have to work a minimum of 8 years in the trade. They bring real life experience. One of the important aspects of our system is that we're moving towards catering to the industry that our school is located. So if you have a tech school at Grosso Tech, they're certainly going to cater to electric boat, versus Prince Tech is going to be catering towards Pratt & Whitney, and Caner Tech is going to be catering towards the stamping and drawn metal products.
My name is Mike Jackman. My role here is a tooling engineering manager. So let me just start by saying everyone that works in our tool room currently graduated from Oliver Wolcott Tech, myself included. Over the years, I've had a really great relationship with Larry. Anytime I needed another student or we needed help in a tool room, I could call Larry. Larry knew us so well, he would give us the perfect student for the situation that we were looking for.
We build relationships that in the long run help our students attain the skills needed to work.
I usually like to get students in, hire them as a junior, and that way they have 2 years experience before they start here full time. We've done that with many students. It's worked out really well. We've even developed like a training program here for those students where I have them build their own tools that they're going to be using once they start full time.
We cover basic items in the 9th and 10th grade curriculum, and then the 11th and 12th we kind of veer out and customize it to prepare our students for the area that they're going to work in. And then when this employer hires them, they build upon the foundation we created.
Without the trade school, I don't think we could maintain a healthy workforce here. You just don't find experienced mold makers out in the field anymore. You literally have to grow your own. So that's why we like to get them as juniors and train them as such. Connecticut Technical High School has done a great job of aligning with us as far as the types of equipment that they purchased to train the students on. They bought Haas CNC machines. We also have Haas CNC machines. They also train their students to program with Mastercam. We also use Mastercam. They've done a great job of aligning with Connecticut manufacturers.
My vision 10 years from now for C-Techs in the manufacturing cluster is certainly to be the forefront of Industry 4.0. We need to be the leaders. I want to be the trade consultant that is able to put students in a company that knows what Industry 4.0 is, can contribute hitting the ground running about artificial intelligence, cyber data-driven processes, additive manufacturing, working with robots and cobots. Right now, we have 5 programs that certainly can work together. But what I see going forward, 5 to 10 years out, we won't be calling it precision machining, mechatronics, welding, MDET. It's going to morph into a big unit altogether, and we might be borrowing from other trades, electrical, plumbing, electronics, IT. That's what I perceive the future is.